President Muhammadu Buhari says only a collective international approach will mitigate the devastating effects of COVID-19. President Buhari, who stated this during a virtual summit of heads of state and the governments of the non-aligned movement in Abuja, said national, regional, and global strategies will be required to tackle the pandemic.
It is now clearly evident that no nation can independently and single-handedly tackle a pandemic of this nature, which is no respecter of borders, regions, or status. Inevitably, enhancing multilateral cooperation through exchange and sharing of best practices is imperative to overcome the disease. We must therefore form a united front against this common enemy by being coordinated and timely in our response. Furthermore, we must all encourage and empower our scientists and medical experts to join the quest for a vaccine and cure to this universal plague.
The president told heads of state and governments of the non-aligned movement that the central role of the United Nations and the World Health Organization in fighting the pandemic must be acknowledged and leveraged for the benefit of all member nations.
It is therefore essential to fully collaborate and support their initiatives in coordinating the international fight against the pandemic.
President Buhari asked international financial institutions to assist member states in cushioning the negative impacts of the pandemic in the spirit of solidarity.
Within the spirit of South-South cooperation, we must also assist our other, particularly the less developed and less endowed member states with technical, medical, and financial assistance. It is by so doing that we can rightly claim to uphold the Bandang principle of equality, mutual interest, and cooperation. I thank